After activating the Woocommerce plugin, you'll be redirected to a page where you'll be required to provide your business details. Begin by adding your business address and email. If you'd like to get tips or updates to your mailbox, you can leave the box marked. If you'd like to share non-sensitive data with the creators of Woocommerce, you can click yes, count me in. Under industry, select the industry that your business operates in. Under product types, add the product types that apply to your business, then click continue. Under business details, choose the number of products you want to display on your website and app. Indicate whether you are currently selling elsewhere. If you are setting up this website for your client, mark the last box. Then click continue. If you want to add recommended business features to your website, leave the box marked, then continue. Under themes, you can choose a new theme or continue with the active theme. Make your way to WooCommerce settings. Under the general store address, you can change your business address. With general options, you can choose the selling and shipping locations. Under selling locations, choose the locations you want to sell your products to. For this example, we'll be selling in-person yoga classes in South Africa only. But if you are selling online yoga classes, you can sell to all countries. Because we will not be shipping our classes, we can disable shipping and shipping calculations. You can choose the no location by default because we will not be shipping the products. I will leave the default option. If you want taxes to be calculated and coupons to be applied, you can mark the enable taxes and coupon boxes. If you want your customers to be able to use multiple coupons, you can mark the calculate coupon discount sequentially. Add your currency option and how you want the currency to be positioned. Then save changes. Under products, ensure that the correct page is selected for the shop page. So activating WooCommerce also added several pages in the Pages feature. The add to basket behavior is easier to demonstrate than to explain. So when we start adding products, I will show you the difference between the redirect to basket page and the enable add to basket button options. I will leave the default options as they are. With inventory and downloadable products, you can leave the default options as well. Under texts, you can add the text that applies to you. This can be value added text or VAT or goods and services tax or GST. If you want the price of yoga classes to include text, you can mark that option. Under additional text classes, add the text that applies to you. If you want the prices in the shop basket and checkout to include text, then mark those options. Lastly, choose how you want to display text totals. Then save changes. You'll notice that the text you added in additional text classes now appears in the tab menu. Click on the text, insert row, and add country code, the text rate, the text name, and unmark the shipping option. Then save changes. Under payments, choose the payment method you want displayed on the front end. If you want to use direct bank transfer, enable that and click the setup button. Add the account name, account number, the bank name, branch code, IBAN, and SWIFT. If you want to add cash on delivery, enable that option and set it up. then save changes. You can also add additional payments. Depending on the country you live in, you can add the PayPal payment gateway. To add the PayPal payment gateway, click the Get Started button and connect to PayPal. If you already have an existing PayPal account, type your email and country. Then click Next. Then enter your password. Then log in. Agree and connect. Then go back to WooCommerce Developers. Connect to PayPal. And then enable the PayPal gateway. Then save changes. To add more payment gateways, you can go to plugins and add the plugin that applies to you. There are many different payment gateways that you can use depending on the country you live in. Since I'm in South Africa, I will use Payfast, but you do not have to use Payfast only. There's also Yoko and Payment Peach as alternative options if you live in South Africa. I will choose Payfast. So you can activate Payfast. Feel free to add the option that applies to you or the one that you prefer. Mark the Enable Payfast box. Unmark the Payfast Send box. Add a merchant ID, merchant key, and passphrase. You can get these from your Payfast account under integration. If you do not have an account, you can sign up. If you have an account, you can log in and under settings, click integration. Then copy the merchant ID, merchant key, and passphrase and paste them in WordPress. Then save changes. You can add as many payment methods as you like. Let's move on to accounts and privacy. Make sure you mark the first 4 boxes and unmark the 5th and 6th boxes. Then save changes. Under emails, you can personalize the emails that you send and receive whenever a booking is made. Under integration, you can apply the MaxMind geolocation integration and add the MaxMind license key. Advanced lets you set up pages. You can add the terms and conditions page as well. First, you need to create it, so you can go to pages and then create the terms and conditions page. You can use this page to outline the terms of service and use whenever people use your website and app. And then add the terms and conditions page. Then save changes. So after configuring the WooCommerce settings, let's add the booking add-on for WooCommerce. So let's go to plugins, add new, and then search for booking add-on for WooCommerce by MVV apps. Then install. And activate.